puppies. Because she nurses them. She's a foster mama. She's able to nurse them. We gave her some supplements, and her maternal instincts kicked in, and she's able to, and she nurses them. This isn't the first litter she's fostered. It's the first one she's nursed, but she's fostered another litter before last year. Looking at herself in the mirror, look at it. Like, who is that cute little stud in the mirror? Who is that studly stand? Oh my gosh. Look at that cutie. Oh my golly. Looking at 5.2K, Michelle. Then the other dogs I have? Absolutely. Well, she's the only, like, not fixed female we have. The only other female we have is fixed. So I don't know how maternal instincts work at that point. 5.2K. You see me show a minute ago, Joey? Nope, so you don't get to chew on these. Remember, we reset. Remember, we did reset. So all during the battle, whatever. Those are all new. Yeah, he's grumpy with the puppies. He's an old grump.